Hello, this is Remya.
And Akash.
Welcome back to our kitchen.
Today we are making fruit smoothie. Let's see how to make it. Let's see the ingredients. We need half an apple. We're not going to peel the skin off. Few grapes, half a banana, and 3 teaspoons of almond powder. And 1 cup of milk. Now, let's blend the ingredients. Let's add the grapes first, then the apples, and finally the banana. Now we're adding the almond powder. After we blend all the ingredients, we'll add the milk. Now we're adding the milk. Now we need to blend the milk and the fruits together. Our smoothie is ready. Let's transfer it to the glass. That looks delicious. Smoothie looks delicious and yummy. It's a very creamy smoothie too. I hope you liked our video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon for new notifications on our new videos. Thank you. Bye.